It's Friday, September 3rd, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. Home services claimed first place in the top categories list, and this is a booming vertical as it's expected to grow 18.19% by 2026. It can include moving, pest control, locksmith services, and lawn care. Insurance, which has been highly competitive, blew past legal, taking second place. Personal insurance stayed in fourth, and financial services, which is one of the highest paying verticals, landed in fifth place. Now it's time for our top offers. Live Calls Network took the top spot this week with its auto accident campaign. Aragon Advertising IRS tax debt relief campaign landed in second. Addiction Marketing Specialists remained in third place with their 24/7 national rehab campaign. We Call and its Medicare campaign claimed fourth, while 33 Mile Radius took fifth with its water damage campaign. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, be sure to check out the Ringba blog for all the details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. LeadSmart added more legal offers to their core home services campaigns, keeping them in first place. And though HyperTarget Marketing had 305 offers and tried to keep up, they landed in second. Aragon Advertising claimed third with its focus on home services and insurance campaigns. Market Call took a different route with a focus on health campaigns, helping them climb to fourth place, while eLocal claimed fifth. This week, all 5 of the top 5 Paper Call networks are Ringba customers. Again, we'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data, as well as helping us analyze the latest changes in the paper call industry. Now it's time for our Paper Call careers. The Ringba team is rapidly expanding, and we're still looking to hire Vue user experience developers and senior .NET engineers. Now, if you're interested in joining our innovative and client-oriented team, we'd love to hear from you. So send your email to sales@ringba.com along with your resume. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. Now, if you're a Ringba customer and you'd like to be featured on this show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get that data you need to drive your revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.